If you need air temperature measurements along with your subsurface data, check out our air temperature sensor inside a radiation shield and all of the accessories that go with it, all part of the FieldTemp system. This is the FieldTemp air temperature measurement accessory inside a radiation shield with our pole mount that your Nanook case sets on. So what this does is acts just like any FieldTemp string. In fact, it's the same sensors that are in your subsurface string, but it's for air temperature. This 3D printed radiation shield lets you get measurements that are much more accurate by keeping solar radiation off the sensor and allowing passive aspiration with keeping the moisture out. The nice thing about this being 3D printed is you can print replacement parts for it easily if it gets damaged by wildlife, hail, or other extreme events. This is also much more economical than many of the other temperature sensors and radiation shields on the market. The radiation shield mounts to a powder-coated steel bracket that we cut and bend and powder coat here in-house, and then it pole mounts to an 1.1" pole with U-bolts. This is standard antenna pole, or you can bolt it to many commercially available towers, whatever you have at your field site. Here I've got this accessory that the FieldTemp logger sets on, and there's a way to strap that case down and use it as a weight and mount the radiation shield to the pole, so you can have a very compact installation. It even has holes if you want to use ground screws to secure this to the ground if you expect a high wind or high animal activity environment. So whether you're mounting to a fence post, a tower, a building, or pretty much anything else, this is an inexpensive and versatile accessory to add those air temperature measurements to your FieldTemp system. Be sure to check out our documentation, the products on our website, and let us know if you have any questions by contacting our support team.